Let's look at the differences between Shopify POS and Square. If you own a store, you understand the importance of having a dependable point of sale system. Shopify POS and Square have been two of the most popular point of sale systems in recent years. Both are extensively utilized by organizations of all sizes, but there are some key distinctions between them that you should be aware of before making your choice. Let's evaluate the features and costs of these two systems. Features of Shopify versus Square. Shopify POS provides more functionality than Square. To begin, Shopify provides more advanced payment alternatives like as Apple Pay and gift cards. It also allows clients to store their payment information on file so that they may make repeat transactions without having to enter their credit card information each time. Click the button below to chat with a Shopify POS technician about your concerns. Additionally, Shopify has its own loyalty program and integrated analytics tools that let you to track consumer data over time. Square, on the other hand, lacks some of these traits but has its own set of advantages. Square, for example, has a virtual terminal, which allows clients to make payments by phone or email rather than in person. This is especially handy for firms who perform a lot of online sales or require a simpler way to receive payments from remote locations. Furthermore, Square has its own built-in customer relationship management system, which makes it easier for businesses to maintain track of consumer information over time. Shopify versus Square cost. Another consideration when selecting on a point-of-sale system is price. Both Shopify and Square provide you the choice of paying a monthly fee or paying per transaction, with the exception of Square's virtual terminal, which only costs per transaction. In general, Shopify costs somewhat more than Square on a monthly basis, but it also offers more capabilities, so it may be worth the extra cost if those features are relevant to your business needs. Depending on your specific business needs and goals, both Shopify POS and Square provide distinct benefits. When determining which one is ideal for you, consider both pricing and features so you can make an informed selection that best matches your budget and long-term growth objectives. If you click on the link below to chat with a Shopify POS expert, you'll be well on your way to selecting the ideal point-of-sale system for your company.